Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the poem. The poem name is The Trees. The first paragraph is the trees inside the moving out into the forest that was empty all these days, where no bird could sit, no insect hide, no sun bury its feet in shadow. The forest that was empty all these nights will be full of trees by morning. In these lines, the poet says that the trees are moving out of the confines of the houses into the open forest. This is unrealistic as trees are immovable, and hence we realize that the poem has a symbolic meaning. We interpret that trees refer to females who have healed themselves and are ready to move out of their homes into the forest to fulfill their primary purpose of filling the world with mankind. Further, she adds that the forest has been empty for the past many days, and so no birds can be seen as they do not have any trees to sit on. On insects can be seen as they do not have any shelter, and the sunlight cannot form any shadows. The forest of humanity has remained empty for many days, but will soon be full and bright. And in the second paragraph, the paragraph is started all night. All night the roots work to distance himself from the cracks in the veranda floor. The leaves stand toward the glass, small twig stiff with exertion, long cramped bulbs shuffling under the roof like newly discharged patient, half-dazed moving to the clinic doors. In this paragraph, the poet explains that the struggle done by the plants to reach the forest. She says that the roots worked for the whole night to separate themselves from the veranda floor. The leaves tried hard to reach the window of glass so that they could go outside. Even the small stems of the trees put much of their effort in order to shelter themselves. Trees, the big branches were also twig a lot to go out from the roof of the room. We can say that women are separate for a change. Their effort is compared to that made by a patient who has been released from the hospitals and he tries to move out in a hurry although he is confused. Maybe because they are half conscious and are under the influence of some medication. They are unsteady but in a hurry to leave the clinic. And the last paragraph is I sit inside doors, open the veranda, writing long letters in which I scarcely mention the departure of the forest from the house. The night is fresh, the whole moon shines in a sky still open. The smell of leaves and lichen still reaches like a voice into the rooms. In this paragraph, the poet says that she is sitting in her veranda writing long letters. She does not mention about the trees leaving her house in her letters. She says that the night is very clear. She can see the complete moon which is shining. The smell of leaves and lichens is like a voice which is yelling and expressing a desire for freedom from the confines of the houses. Thank you. Have a nice day. The last paragraph of this poem is my head is full of whispers which tomorrow will be silent. Listen, the glass are breaking. The trees are stumbling forward into the night. Winds rush to meet them. The moon is broken like a mirror. Its pieces flash now in the crowd of the tallest oak. In these lines, the poet says her head is full of the slow sounds made by the trees which are desperate to move out. These sounds will not be heard the next day. The poet asks the reader to listen carefully as a change is about to take place. She hears the glass window breaking, and the trees stumble out into the night. The wind is blowing outside, it meets the trees, the moon is like a mirror, and it appears to have been broken into pieces as the shadow of the oak trees divides the moon into many fragments. Thank you. Have a nice day.